In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the product bundle plugin on WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, offering product bundles can be a fantastic way to boost sales, increase customer satisfaction, and create unique deals that your customers will love. Whether you're creating gift sets, promotional packages, or curated collections, the product bundle plugin is a powerful tool to help you set this up with ease. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step from installation to creating your first product bundle. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to start offering product bundles on your WooCommerce store. So let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the URL section. From there, you'll need to ensure that you either have WooCommerce installed on your WordPress site or that you've created an account on woocommerce.com. If you're just starting out and you don't have WooCommerce installed yet, head over to the WooCommerce website and set up your store. Follow the instructions provided there, and once that's done, you can log into your WordPress dashboard to continue. Next, let's make sure your WordPress site is ready for the plugin installation. Go to your WordPress dashboard and check for any plugin updates that might be pending. Keeping your plugins up to date is always important for security, compatibility, and overall performance. If you see any updates available, go ahead and update them before moving on to the next step. Once everything is up to date, navigate to the Plugins section in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over Plugins in the left-hand menu and click on Add New. This is where we'll install the Product Bundle plugin. Now, you have two options for installing the plugin. If you've already downloaded the plugin as a zip file to your computer, you can click Upload Plugin at the top of the page, then select the file from your computer and click Install Now. Alternatively, if you don't have the file yet, simply use the Search Plugins bar on this page, type in Product Bundles for WooCommerce, locate the plugin in the search results, and click Install Now. Once the plugin has been installed, the next step is to activate it. You'll see an Activate button appear as soon as the installation is complete. Click that, and the Product Bundle plugin will be enabled on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, let's configure its settings. To do this, go back to the Installed Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard, find the Product Bundles plugin in the list, and click on Settings underneath its name. Here you'll find a variety of options to configure, including localization settings, compatibility adjustments, and even some premium features if you're using the Pro version of the plugin. Take a moment to review these options and adjust them to suit your store's needs. Once your settings are configured, it's time for the fun part, creating your first product bundle. Navigate to the Products section in your dashboard and click Add New. This will open the product creation page. Scroll down to the Product Data section and click on the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Smart Bundle. This is the option that allows you to create and customize product bundles. Now, start adding products to your bundle. You can do this by either searching for their names or using their product IDs. Once you've chosen the products for your bundle, set a regular price, a sale price, and even any discounts you'd like to offer. You can also configure additional options like quantity limits, shipping fees, and stock management. These settings will help you control how the bundle is sold and ensure that it integrates smoothly with your store's inventory and pricing systems. Next, you can customize how the bundle appears on your site, adjust the display price, and add any text you'd like to show before or after the price. Don't forget to upload a product image that represents the bundle. You want it to look appealing and professional. When everything is ready, click Publish to make your bundle product live on your website. After publishing, it's always a good idea to preview the product page. Make sure all the details like pricing, images, and design elements are displayed correctly. Finally, test the product bundle by adding it to your cart and completing a mock purchase to ensure everything works perfectly. If you notice anything that needs adjusting, you can always go back and tweak the settings or design. And that's it! You've successfully installed and set up the product bundle plugin on WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.